Hello and welcome to the University of New England School of Social Work's orientation page. My name is Tom Chalmers-McLaughlin. I'm the Director of Online Education here at UNE. And I'd just like to take a minute to discuss the student handbook. The student handbook is available in the course, but you'll also notice it's here at this link. There's two handbooks. There's one handbook for online education and there's another handbook for on-campus education. They're virtually the same with a little bit of difference built into the online program for the use of the accelerated, the way the courses are offered. I'm not going to talk about the whole handbook, but I just wanted to kind of go through the table of contents and talk about why it's important for you to actually know this and to understand what the handbook talks about. It's really with the exception of the syllabus, or with the inclusion of the syllabus, it's kind of your contract and your go-to place for stuff around how the school works, how the university works, policies around changing classes or dropping classes, and things like that. So you'll notice, as with all documents within the school, we start with our mission, vision, and niche. We have the goals of the program. And then we have the course of study. How does that look? Sometimes you'll have questions about, can I waive a course? Can I transfer a class in? That's all discussed in the beginning part of the handbook. The curriculum is important. The curriculum section starts on page 7, goes through 11. You'll notice here, this is important because it really tells you how your course of study is actually going to lay out. Whether you're an accelerated student or an advanced standing student or a traditional student, it's going to talk about the degree requirements, how field placement works, and how the courses are actually offered through the online process. The next piece is academic policies, and I would just draw your attention to student advising. There's a section in orientation that already talks about that, but it's important for you to understand who your advisor is and the role that your advisor can play as you kind of go through the program here. As we get down, you'll notice it says student policies. This is where it talks about the Office of Students with Disabilities. That's also discussed in the orientation in another section. This just provides you with kind of an overview of how does that work. Also talks about what's called student progression, or what we call the Student Development Committee work, which is important for you to kind of understand and read. And again, this document is an opportunity for you to understand how the school's policies and procedures work, and to have a frank discussion with your advisor around different things that might come up for you as you kind of go through your educational career here. So again, I'm not going to go through the whole document. I just want to give you kind of a brief overview. You can get it in orientation, or as I said, here's the link, the direct link for it. I would encourage you to make a copy of this and then save it to your desktop of your computer, or where you're saving your school files and things like that, as it'll be important for you as you kind of move forward. And again, welcome to the School of Social Work, and I wish you success in your journey.